In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix the invalid email or password after a Facebook breach. If you are receiving an invalid email or password error on Facebook following a security breach, it is likely that the attacker has changed your login credentials. All you need to do in order to go ahead and change these is going to be by heading to this site called facebook.com/hacked, just like that. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page where you want to click on next, and then it will take you to another window where you can simply go ahead and click on someone else got into my account without my permission, and then you will simply go ahead and be able to explain your problem on this form. So simply click on my account is compromised and then enter the email or phone number previously associated with your account. If the hacker changed the email, try searching for your full name or username and then go ahead and update that to Facebook as well, and they'll go ahead and try to recover it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.